The Nigerian Senate has called on President Bola Tinubu to incorporate river dredging projects, particularly for the Benue River, in the upcoming 2024 budget. This motion, sponsored by Senator Abba Aminu Iya of Adamawa Central, aims to address the issue of flooding, safeguard lives and promote year-round agriculture.
The Senate needs to note that River Benue is an international river flowing into Nigeria from the highland of northern Cameroon through Jimeta Yola in Adamawa State, to Ibi in Taraba State, Makodi in Benue State, and finally meet River Niger in Kogi State and Lokoja. The Senate is to aware that the volume of water flow from River Benue is adversely affected by the climate change and construction of dams, resulting to its uncontrolled shrinking, with devastating effects on agricultural activities such as dry season farming, floods, negative effects on the land, waterways, transportation.
During the session, Senator Dixon Siraki of Bayelsa West voiced his support for the motion, emphasizing the importance of establishing the necessary mechanisms. He also highlighted the significance of constructing all dams, not just those along the Niger and Benue rivers, as water flows through the Niger Delta and eventually reaches the Atlantic.
River Niger and River Basin are upland, but all the water that we are complaining about flows through, through the Niger Delta to the Atlantic. So it's a major issue. It's a major issue, and we are all united that this country gets it right, not in bits and pieces, but we should advance that resolution so that the waters flowing through the tributaries of the River Niger and the Benue, flowing through the Niger Delta, all the rivers, River Focados, River Non, River Kwaibo, all the states are affected in the Niger Delta. So I will, while seconding this motion, Mr. President, remind us to advance and fast-track the earlier resolution that our joint committees should organize a national summit so that we can have a proposal, because there has to be more than one dam. Even the construction of this dam, as desirable as it is, cannot solve these problems. There has to be other intervention points down, slowing down the water flow and even keeping the water for other purposes, agricultural and otherwise, energy generation and so on. That's why it has to be a comprehensive agenda.
Following discussions, the lawmakers passed a resolution urging President Bola Tinubu to facilitate the construction of dams, including the proposed Dasin Hausa Dam in Fufure local government area, Adamawa State. This initiative aims to mitigate the potential risks associated with excessive flooding from the Lagdo Dam in Cameroon.